Hey guys, I just realized then that I actually don't sound like this. This is because I'm recording my voice, and I sound different when I'm recording my voice. I actually don't sound like this. Like, don't say, oh my god, the kid sucks. Let's unsubscribe, even though I have no subscribers. I don't sound like this, and this might be my last video. Bye bye. I'm no XDLOL.